Good morning and welcome to, we think, day 55. Breakfast has been eaten, oatmeal, and drank some coffee. And now we're picking up the last few bits. And sorry. And I only have a 17 kilometers walk to Flötingen today. But it's gonna be a little bit of a bush, I think. So a hard time, because yesterday we only got 18 and it was a long day anyway, because it was hard ground to cover. It's very damp. We got wet grounds and everything. So now I will fill up my bottle so I can have some drinking water. On the go, and we think we're gonna take a quick stop to eat lunch on the way, and that's the only stop we're taking. So we really want to hit Flötingen in great time, because we have a accommodation there, so we can do laundry, shower and everything. So let's go.
And now we're leaving Treriksröset and heading to Flötningen. 17 kilometers. That's the shortest one for some while. So the sun is up. It's hot. It's a beautiful morning. So approximately we think 4-5 hours. It depends how much up and downs. But we have to see. Did you went around there immediately? Yeah. Yeah. The trail is over here. The orange dots, hey, the orange man, and we are heading to Flötingen. Just 15. Yeah? I was just clearing my throat before I turn on the camera.
Maybe you track the moose.
Yeah. I'm tired. We are tired. This couple of days, I don't know how many days we have been up on these mountains. The days just flow together. So no electricity, no Wi-Fi, nothing on these mountains, just on that restaurant. And I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before that. It's long days. It's good days. And we are happy up here, but yeah, you walk with your knees high the whole time, and sometimes on rocks and sometimes in water. So yeah, it was a weird, a very different path than we have had earlier. So yeah, we like the difference. So it's a good one. Thumb up. And welcome to the DanAnna channel. I'm Anna, and over there we have Dan. And we're walking through Sweden. And we have company by Catherine. There she is, yeah?
Yeah, somewhere.
We're going that way to the orange dots. And they have marked this trail super well up here, and up here it's completely dry as well. So we walked over a few water paths down in the alley, but up here it's dry, so it's almost like a speedway, so you can walk so fast and nice, and that's everything makes everything so much easier to walk up here. But the views, again, there are some mountains in the background behind the trees, and the same around us. So we're still walking down a valley, and we going downhill to Flötingen to the grocery store there, so we can fill up and the bags and our stomachs as well. So another great day and no sun. It's not so hot today. That feels good as well. And here we got lunch break. So now we're cooking up some noodles, eating some raisin, drinking some coffee and water. We are at Gårdsjön. It's a little wind hut, so it's absolutely beautiful. We got water down there as well, so it's nice on this path. You don't have to carry so much water. Before we always carried full rations of water with I carried over 2 liters, and that's 2 kilos extra. Today I only carried like half a liter to drink when we were walking. But down here you can see the magical water, and that's nice. It's so beautiful. So here's a nice spot so you can clean up if you stay the night here and everything. And I think we got like 6 or 7 kilometers left to the grocery store, and there's hopefully the guy from the hotel is gonna pick us up, or the adventure park thing that we're gonna stay to take a zero and eat up. So
Okay.
here are all the people eating. And we are waiting for the noodles. I hope you can see anything in the dark, and for the water to boil up. So many beautiful rivers and everything. And Anna said she's so tired, she have a hard time talking to the camera, so she asked, oh, can you talk to the camera a little bit? We are super huge bodies, both of us, and we are tired. It was a few long days and all day just speaking English as well, because of our beautiful friend Catherine from Germany. So we have to speak in English day and night with each other and with her, so she can understand anything, and that makes you a little bit tired in the head as well. And Anna has some pain in her body, a lot of ups and downs, a few 30+ days, so it's welcome this day off we're gonna have tomorrow. So in I think 4 kilometers we are at the grocery store, so we can fill up the bag and see where we can find to fill up our stomachs. If they have some fish, chicken or beef maybe, we have to see, potatoes. Yeah, we are longing for a little bit of everything, but it's hard to plan what you're gonna have for feast when you don't know the store, because when you get there, so maybe, oh, they don't have any potatoes, but we are longing for a big salad as well. So but and today as well I'm gonna upload a few days of videos and try to edit them as well. So that's why we had the place extra day, so we have Wi-Fi so I can upload, because we are maybe 5-6 days, 7 maybe, at least, something around that, so it's a lot of videos. So But now we have company. Nice. Nice. Was a big German party out hiking. It's nice to see. We don't have met so many Swedish people here on the trail. A lot of German, Norwegians, and a few Dutch peoples as well, but maybe 10 Swedish people here. But the Southern King's Trail is more common in Germany than it is in Sweden. They even have some books and a lot of videos about that, and that's funny as well. So I will check into all of those when I come back home, because I want to look through all our material we have uploaded, and I want to see some more about the King's Trail, because it's funny to look at the hiking, other hiking videos. It's inspirational to see where they have went and remember back where we have went. So that's why we are doing these videos as well. It's a memory for us, not just for you. Oh, but I'm tired. This lifestyle is really fun, but the legs and the body is tired. So but after we have filled it up with food and rest for one day, we are good to go. We will run out of the start blocks again, I think. And look at this, the last few kilometers into Flötningen, we're walking like this. It's so super nice, and of course it's wet everywhere. But now we have a lot of hours to dry up our shoes. But look at this beautiful river running through here. There are some nice rocks in the river as well. Nice rocks in the river as well, so you can climb out to them and sit there and eat your lunch or wiggle your toes in the water. But we talked about this, but we just want to hit Flötningen so we can call the guy so he can get us up, so we can get to the accommodation after we have done the grocery shopping. So less talking, more walking.
I hold it.
Trash again. And we're done.
We're back to asphalt. So now we see civilization. Houses, cars, motorbike, even fishing things hanging from the electric power wire. Houses over there, but we still got mountains in the background. This was a tough day. When you're so exhausted, it's really tough. But now we are in Flötningen. In maybe 10 minutes or so we will hit the grocery store, so it's nice. Now we hit dirt road again. That was just a small road on the asphalt. Windy. And beautiful houses.
Yeah. We're soon there. Gränseboa supermarket. Let's do some shopping. And now, finally we are here. Now, what do they have? Chips, beer, more beer. Just gonna show you a little quick what they have. Oh my god. And here in here is a soda. That's a dinner for Dan.
Yeah, I'm done.
Snows, tobacco, candy, some painkillers, more candy. A little small shop with everything we need. Perfect shopping. Ah, now we're here.
Yeah, you're back in the cage.
You in front of the kid.
Yeah.
We are back here. We sit
They don't trust you, so they put you in the cage.
So we are here. The beautiful guy over here, he picked us up with all our bags and groceries. So now we will get home and get some cooking done.
Yeah.
And get some laundry done.
Laundry, yeah. Laundry and a shower. We really need it.
We are smelly.
Yeah.
But we are
Sorry about the
great.
smell.
I put you in the old dog hospital, so...
Yeah, perfect.
And we have arrived to this adventure camp with, yeah, you can see I don't look so good. And look at her. She got a beer on the house. So she is sitting and relaxing with a dog.
And a new friend.
A new friend. And if we want to, we have a sauna in there. Over there we have some, what do you call it? Lounge?
Lounge, yeah.
Lounge. And we are staying in, it's called Stjärnfall. That means starfall. So this is our accommodation for tonight. Here Catherine gonna live. Upstairs or downstairs, I don't know. We have both. We have toilet, shower, and we're gonna do the laundry, of course. The toilet is over here, so it's separated. That's quite nice. And we have kitchen, a small oven, gas stove, microwave. We have everything we need. We have a television, and here is our bed. So this is gonna be just perfect, and we're gonna eat so much food.
Yeah.
Do you want to add something, Dan, or
No,
is this the end of the video?
I hope so, because I need them in the computer.
He has so much,
Teachers
yeah,
to the...
so much work to do because we don't have any electricity or any Wi-Fi or any internet connection. We don't have anything for, I think it's 5 days. I can't remember. The days just flow together. And we have bought so much food. I show you that. So we're gonna eat. We're gonna see some movies. We're just gonna relax. Maybe a sauna tomorrow. So these mountains did us good in the feet. So this is nice to be here. So thank you so much for coming along on this day, on this tour. So don't forget, thumb up, subscribe, turn on notifications, share with your friend. DanAnna, walk in Sweden, and we see you tomorrow.